The 2 Tires Guide to the Motoz Tractionator Adventure. Motoz make incredibly good off-road and adventure tires. The Tractionator Adventure sits between the more extreme RAL Z and the Tractionator GPS. It's the most extreme Motoz you can fit to your BMW GS Adventure or other adventure bike with a 19-inch front and 17-inch rear, as the RAL Z is not made in these sizes. These are strong and durable tires and ideal if you're off on a pan-European trail hunting adventure. Road legal but made for off-road adventuring. If you're mainly road riding and only riding on light trails, you might be better off looking at the GPS, which has a central belt on the rear tire, for better wear and less vibrations. That said, the Adventure can still cut it on the road. It's a very capable tire with phenomenal wear rates. We've had plenty of customers who have reported more than 10,000 miles from the rear, which is some going. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website. Just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.